Hey folks, Zen Modeling, and I want to show you a completely scratch built full floater modular quick change rear differential that's used on the top Fuel Dragster, especially for the one that I've been working on for the past decade, it seems. I'm going to take it apart and give a brief description and short history of the design and the machining, or just some items for each section I go through. The first one are going to be the wheel hubs, and a lot went into the design of these. Originally 3D printed, and then aluminum anodized with black dye. The brass wheel studs you're looking at are threaded and do work, and there are bolts attached to them, and it does fit this weld dragster wheel. You can see the wear marks there. Now I just need to find a socket and ratchet this small. They do exist, it's just tough to find, mostly made for watches and stuff. Next are the disc brake assembly, and these disc brakes are these rotors were made out of brass and then bright nickel plated, and then the calipers are 3D printed with stainless steel hardware, put them together. Use my hands, pull these off. All right, next is what they call the end bells, and these end bells are made out of brass, and they put up next to the frame where the modular, the frame sits in. I'll show you here in a bit. But these end bells were brass machined, and then were bright nickel plated, and then black nickel plated. That's what gives them the unique finish look. I've got a stainless steel axle with pressed in grease caps there. And next is, let me set this guy aside. Next is the modular housing frame. I designed this and went into my Photo-Etch lab and had to make about 10 of these before I came up with the set I like. In the center I've got carbon fiber fill there holding it together, and I've got threaded bolts and stainless steel tubes that hold the center together, or hold the two ends together to center it. And finally I've got the wheel housing. I made two of these. Let me bring in this guy here. Made two of these, one in aluminum, machined aluminum, one machined in brass. And this is the one that I did in brass and then bright nickel plated. And you can see where there's a section that's been soldered to it. There we go. And then the Photo-Etch cover on the end. I haven't learned how to attach stuff to aluminum yet, so that's why I went with the brass, even though this one came out really nice. I mean, look at that. Came out pretty nice. This all connects. It attaches to the frame in a one-to-one style using the attachment plates here, and that's these right here. If I can find a stupid camera. There we are. There, you can see the brass, and then those are threaded, tap and dyed bolts, hex bolts, and then of course the round section that the teeth on my holder here is showing is what attaches to the axle, and then this gets soldered to the frame, and when pulled apart it's your quick change in one-to-one fashion. I'm going to do this all in reverse so you can see all the parts as I explain them. Thanks for watching.
This is Lee, Zen Modeling. Thanks for viewing.